welcome to my studio. I'm Amy Nicole, and I'm here to tell you about my Christmas dress. Yes, this is my Christmas dress that I did not get to wear this Christmas because of a minor case of COVID-19. Ooh. But I love this dress and I wanted to talk to you about it. I haven't shared it yet and I haven't worn it much lately, but I do love the way this pattern turned out. The pattern I use here is the Nielsen Sudley dress and blouse, which I've been wanting to try forever. And I just love this sweet little pattern, and this fabric is from a Thrifty Notion, one of my favorite secondhand fabric shops. I actually picked it up shortly before December of last year, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so perfect for a Christmas dress. It is a cotton, and the background is black. It looks navy sometimes, but it's actually black, and it is just so much fun. But now I know that it's not like, it doesn't scream Christmas, but since in my head it's a Christmas dress, I like can't not feel Christmassy when I wear it. So I haven't been wearing it much. I think it'll be a good fall dress. I just have to like let go of the Christmas idea. The only adjustments I made, I did lower the armhole a tad, which is totally not necessarily, they weren't that tight, y'all, but I can't not do that adjustment. You know what I mean? I just have to. I used some contrasting little dot cotton that I had in my stash for the bodice lining because I did not have quite enough of the black, and I think it's fine. And once again, I don't remember what size I cut, so I'll be scrolling that across the bottom like I do. Oh, and I added pockets. Of course, I added pockets. This pattern is super fun. I'll totally make it again, I think. And I think I would like it even as a blouse, like a cute little wintry, might be cute in flannel, honestly. I have some flannel that I've been wanting to do something with. This could be an idea. And yeah, so that's my Christmas dress. Thank you so much for joining me here in the studio. If you have any questions about this dress or any of my other makes, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, happy sewing. Bye. Oh gosh, now we have a thread. Oh, I hope that's not a problem. Okay, we're good.